Hey guys, it's Erica. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. It's definitely been a hot minute since I last posted a video. Things have just taken a turn in my personal life. Not for the worse, but definitely for the better. Content creation has kind of been put on the back burner right now just because I'm adjusting to my new routine. Anyways, so today's video, as you can tell from the title, is all about static nails. Static Nails was kind enough to send me a bunch of different nail sets, and I can honestly say that they have been great. I've tried out one, which are on my nails currently. I did pre-film the press-on nail part tutorial because I was just way too excited to wait to try them. So I'm just gonna roll all that footage for you guys so you can see what I did and how they look. This is the box that Static Nails gave me, and I'm gonna just open it up. Ooh, love that. Oh my goodness, so excited. This one is called Nudist, Fetish, Mademoiselle, Toasted Sugar. In this kit comes with 24 nails, a file, buffer, and glue. So they all have that, which is awesome. So nice. Oh my goodness, I just spilled it everywhere. Okay, so here's the file and the glue. So I've already filed down my nails, but to help the glue and the nails stick, you kind of file down the top of your nails a little bit. I don't like to do too much because I find that it like ruins the nail if you do it too hard, but with more grit it does definitely stay. The next step is to find which nails work best with your nails. So I have my set. I'm just gonna put the other ones off to the side here so I don't get them mixed up, and I'm just gonna put glue right on the inside. Just press it down for about 15-20 seconds. And so I'll continue to do this for each one of my nails. I think the color looks great. I like how it's nude and it kind of goes with my skin tone. These are nails. I think they look pretty. I like the color of them. So I currently have the nails on that I put on a week ago, and they're still really intact. And nothing has budged, nothing has popped off. They are still solid. I really like them. They look kind of natural to me. The ones that I currently have on is called Nudist. Obviously I've gone in the box and opened it up, so that's why these look like that. These are the three that I have yet to try, but very excited and looking forward to trying them out. I'm sure I will get the same results. Very pleased with them. Would recommend them for sure for someone who maybe doesn't want to go to the salon and get their nails done, and it is definitely a heftier price if you go to a salon and get them done, the acrylics or biogel, whatever it may be. This is probably the more affordable option. Plus you don't have to have them on as long, and you know, if you soak your nails in warm water, they do eventually fall off. Anyways, I just want to thank Static Nails for sending me these. I'm really excited about them and happy with the results. I would definitely recommend them. This is not sponsored whatsoever. I'm not getting paid to say any of this. I would recommend. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks again, Static Nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're aware of when I upload my next video. Leave any questions or comments in the comment section down below, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, evening, afternoon, wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!